Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Secure APIs, Design, Build, and Implement, written by Jose Haro Peralta.
API security is the practice of protecting APIs from unauthorized access and attacks. It encompasses all aspects of security, from the design and implementation of the API to the infrastructure that supports it. This includes authentication, authorization, data validation, and more. API security is crucial because APIs serve as gateways to systems, exposing data and functionality to external users and services. Security by design for APIs means integrating security measures from the initial stages of API development. This approach ensures that security is considered throughout the entire development process, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities and attacks. It involves identifying potential security issues during the design phase and addressing them before the API is deployed. API security is vital because APIs are often the primary interface for accessing services and data, making them a target for attacks. Inadequate API security can lead to data breaches, unauthorized access, and other security incidents, which can have severe financial and reputational consequences for organizations. Ensuring robust API security helps protect sensitive data and maintain trust with users and clients. Attack vectors in an API are the various methods or paths through which unauthorized users can gain access to the API or its data. These can include SQL injection, broken authentication, and insecure data exposure, among others. Identifying these attack vectors is a critical step in securing APIs, as it allows developers to implement specific defenses against each type of threat. Integrating API security into the development cycle involves implementing security measures at every stage of the API lifecycle, from design to deployment. This includes conducting security assessments, using secure coding practices, and continuously monitoring and testing the API for vulnerabilities. By embedding security into the development process, organizations can ensure that their APIs are protected against potential threats. Staying updated with the latest in API security is crucial due to the rapidly evolving nature of technology and cyber threats. This involves continuous learning and adapting to new security practices, tools, and technologies. Regular training, attending security conferences, and participating in security communities can help professionals keep pace with the latest trends and best practices in API security. By understanding and implementing these concepts, organizations can better protect their APIs from the growing number of cyber threats, ensuring the security and integrity of their data and systems.
Get this book at Manning.com